recently received a lot of requests from the parent side asking me to talk about parenting during this pandemic. I hope you all understand this topic. Parenting has become a very big task these days during this pandemic situation. So thought to address a very frequently heard problems from the parent side. The first problem is, ma'am, my children are becoming very lazy these days. Second thing is their behavioral changes are really scaring us. So they are changing their behaviors in day-to-day lives. So with no reason sometimes, they are trying to show their anger or show their irritations to the parents. The third problem what they frequently say is about their mobile usage. Many children are becoming addicted to the mobiles. So they cannot survive without a mobile is the very big problem for the children today, especially to the adolescent kids. So I thought of taking these three issues in today's video and share with all of you a certain tips. The first and foremost tips which I wanted to share it with all the parents today is the acceptance. See, first of all, you should mold your mind to accept the situation outside. As we all know, not just you, the entire world is suffering with this problem right now. And even at this situation, we are really blessed in many ways. Try to accept the situation. Though we as an adult, we are finding it difficult to accept the situation outside. For about 3 or 4 months, we had a very big mental trauma. Imagine how would a child feel when they are having such a long, big break in their education. Definitely the child may have a different kind of a pressure which they are not expressing to others. They are not with the peer group. You or me did not face this problem all these days. But our children are facing it and we need to know how much of pressure, hidden pressures the children may have inside. Okay, this is why they are becoming lazy, or this is why they are showing their behavioral changes to you. Mostly children are born like this. Children's psychology, generally they don't try to impress the people at home. They always try to impress the people outside, especially when they are with the peer group. They compete with each other and they try to showcase themselves as a very good child in front of their teachers. And they always wanted to be the favorite child for their class teacher or for their favorite subject teachers. See, all these things the children are missing for this past 11 months. So parents try to understand their hidden mental pressures and accept the situation. Of course, we are in a very crucial situation where we have to safeguard our children with a very big disease, with this pandemic situations and all of that. We are suffering, I do agree, but don't put all your pressure on your children, expecting them to be the same while they were going for the schools. Okay, it is not really possible. Children would show certain behavioral changes. For that, you should take some measures. You rather spending too much of time or asking them, pestering them, what is happening, what is that, what is. There are two different types of parents also I see here. Few are more responsible and few are completely irresponsible. So few doesn't care about whether they attend online sessions or anything. Few completely pushing them towards the studies even during this pandemic. See, schools are conducting these online classes just for the sake of doing something, because as we all know, something is better than nothing. So the schools are also engaging the teachers, or they are also trying to put some input. They're trying to put some input in order to keep your children's brain active. But not just that can keep your children's brain active, please remember that. Okay, so to keep your children's brain completely active, you should contribute a lot of things. Try to put your children with different kind of personalities, means with a social distance, and try to make them speak with different people, to your neighbors or to some nearby teenagers. Try to make them talk to different people. Don't keep them inside home, or giving them proper measures, proper safety. Make them play their favorite outdoor games, like which you can play with the distance, like shuttle or tennis or something like that, which is of their interest. And don't push them just because the neighborhood children are doing something. Don't push your children to do the same thing. First of all, know whether they are interested to do that. Okay, so to keep their brain active, you have to engage them with some different activities. Once they are involved in all other activities, obviously they will reduce their cell phone usage. Especially have a monitoring. If they are having a timetable for the online classes, accept that particular timings. Please make sure that they don't use the cell phones. Instead, they do some other activity. Even if they talk to their friends, leave them. It's okay. Leave them to their comfort to some extent. Because when we also have certain comfortness for ourselves, every human beings, every individual humans, we always wanted to do our own favorite things. If we are dumped in a situation where we cannot do that, it will also be pressurized. Okay, so please understand they are very small children. Please, pampering too much is also not good, and being very strict is also not advisable. Okay, so be neutral with your children and put them a lot of brain games and just ask them what is their interest. According to their interest, please put them in different activities. We in Profile Plus and we are handling a lot of online sessions, as you all know. So during the online classes, we also could give them something which is apart from their subject, apart from their usual thing what they do in their online classes. We keep them games. We give them some kind of a brainstorm, things which they can think and answer. Situational based questions where they think about all different situations and come up with a smart answer in order to impress each other. But during their online classes, it may not be possible because the teacher has to handle 30 or 40 children. But wherein here, we are handling 5 or 6 in a group, we are able to understand them. So this is how Profile Plus helps them in order to keep their brains active. And parents, please be responsible and please have this acceptance towards what is the situation outside, and don't put more pressure to your children and mold your mind to accept the situation. Enrich, empower and emerge with English. All the very best. Please do subscribe and press the bell icon.